Welcome to another session of the TIA portal. Today we will see how to use and program counter and ladder logic. Before starting, please subscribe to this channel to stay connected with me. Let's start our today's session. You can use the count up and down instruction to increment and decrement the counter value at the CV output. If there is rising edge at the CU input, the current counter value is incremented by 1 and stored at the CV output. If there is rising edge at the CD input, the counter value at the CV output is decremented by 1. If there is a positive signal edge at the CU and CD inputs in one program cycle, the current counter value at the CV output remains unchanged. The counter value is set to 0 when the signal state at the R input changes to 1. As long as the R input has the signal state 1, a change in the signal state of the CU, CD, and LD inputs has no effect on the count up and down instruction. You can scan the current status of the up counter at the CU output and status of down counter at the QD output. Let's make an example program for counter. We will just drag and drop the counter instruction on the ladder. Now we will connect the open contact with a 0.0 address at CU input. And connect the open contact with a 0.1 address at CD input. We can make a logic to reset the counter, and Q0.0 will be the output for up counter. As you can see that if I press green button which is connected to CU input, the counter value incremented to 1. Now each time I press green button, counter value incremented to 1. Now if I press red button which is connected to CD input, the counter value decremented to 1. Now each time I press green button, counter value incremented to 1. Now I will press the green push button 5 times to make the counter value 5. When the present value of the counter and preset value of the counter is same, the output Q0.0 turns on. If we give a rising edge at reset input R, the counter present value turns to 0 and output Q0.0 turns off. Let's see the counter working once again. So this is how counter works. Please subscribe this channel to stay connected with me. Till next video, goodbye.